Hello everyone. Attention electric unicycle lovers. This is the links. I just received this from Next Gen Mobility, which I highly recommend. nextgenmobility.org. Guess what the relationship between this electric unicycle and this box is? This is a ramp that came highly recommended to me. That's going to allow me to load the electric unicycle into the vehicle, which my vehicle is a hatchback. Like, this may work also for vehicles that have trunks. That'll be a little higher, right? Than a hatchback, it'll be taller. So you have to test that. But if you have a hatchback, I mean, I have a 2012 Toyota Prius, so you can look at the height of that. I'll be using this ramp for this unicycle and many other unicycles as well. I have that one, and that one, and that one. And I think that's all. So let's see, can I open this with one hand? I'll put a link in the description of this video, below the video, of directly to this ramp, and then you'll be able to see which ramp I purchased here. This came highly recommended to me by someone that has been riding electric unicycles for many years. And they said this is their favorite ramp for many reasons. One of them is that it doesn't have the grip tape on it, which a lot of people don't like the way that feels on their fingers, right? This is a dog ramp to get into the vehicle. This electric unicycle weighs 88 pounds. It's made of magnesium, so it's strong and lightweight. This is the new Lynx. That's what I'll be loading into the vehicle with this ramp here. So it folds open and it's already connected to itself right there. So there's no assembly or reassembly, disassembly. And it's very, very light. You'll have to look at the weight of it, but this is extremely lightweight, which is a big plus. Okay, everyone. See you at the races. The electric unicycle races.